You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. Turn the control to the first position for parking lights. Turn it to the second position for headlights. If you turn it to the auto position, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on surrounding light levels. If equipped, automatic high beams can be enabled or disabled in your Uconnect settings, and then activated with the headlight switch in the auto position and the multifunction lever pushed forward to the high beam position. A front-facing digital camera detects the light of oncoming vehicles and switches the beams from high to low until the approaching vehicle is out of view. To activate the front fog lights, turn on the parking lights or low-beam headlights and push in the headlight control switch. Push it a second time to turn the fog lights off. The dimmer control switches control your instrument panel and ambient lighting. With the parking lights or headlights on, rotate the left dimmer control to adjust the interior and ambient light levels. Rotate the right dimmer control to adjust the brightness of the instrument panel lights. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.